Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, Gold, USD, USD, JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of USD CAD in front of us right now, and if we just observe the chart here, then we can see that right now there is a heavy selling going on in the chart of USD CAD. We can clearly see on the chart that USD CAD is under the heavy dominance of sellers. This is a downtrend market. Okay, and as we all know, the basic rule, the thumb rule of the market is follow the trend. Whether you're trading on stocks, forex, a commodity, doesn't matter. The basic rule is follow the trend. It means that if the market is an uptrend, you should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, you should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as we can clearly see that USD CAD is in downtrend, therefore we should mainly look for selling opportunities respecting the trend of the market. Because see, if you do not follow the trend of the market, then there's a good possibility of losing money as well. So until if you are an experienced trader, if you have been trading for last couple of years, then you can afford to go against the trend. But if you are a beginner, you are new to market, then my dear friend, this is my request, please follow the trend, because it will be easier for you to earn money in the market. So looking at the present chart of USD CAD, I see only two trading opportunities on the USD CAD chart. So the first trading opportunity is shorting the market at 1.2425 level, because see, market is in downtrend, and in a downtrend market the best trading opportunity is always near the resistance. But you can see that there is a kind of a free fall in the market, and we do not have any proper resistance in the market right now. So in this case, on Monday, if market goes up from here, listen to me carefully, if market goes up from the present market position, then we will get a good shorting opportunity at 1.2425 level or this particular zone. So if market goes up from here, and if market reverses, yes, if market reverses from this current position, we can short the market, and that will be our first trading opportunity. On the other hand, the second trading opportunity is below this level. In case the selling continues in the market, if you see the same selling pressure on Monday as well, then obviously market will not be going up for retracement. On the other hand, we will see fresh selling on the market, and if market breaks the level of 1.2308 level, then we can short the market below this level. So first trading opportunity is short the market at 1.2425 level if market reverses, and secondly, we can short the market below 1.2308 level if there is the same selling pressure continues on the market. So these are the two selling opportunities I see on the USD CAD chart. And USD CAD chart has also got influence of the crude oil as well as the US dollar. Generally, whenever US dollar goes up, we see USD CAD going up. When crude oil goes up, we see USD CAD going down. Okay, I have already explained the correlation in my earlier videos many times, so I do not want to go in detail again. So see, this is a chart of crude oil here, and as you can see that crude oil is extremely bullish, and right now the present scenario, the present international scenario is also telling us the same story, because there is an energy crisis going on, the coal crisis. Okay, there is a crisis of coal. Yes, coal crisis going on throughout the world. As a result, the price of crude oil is going up. There is a huge demand of crude oil right now, and this is a simple law of economics, supply and demand. There is huge demand right now of crude oil. As a result, the price of crude oil is going up. And when crude oil price goes up, we see Canadian dollar going up and USD CAD going down. Okay, and as a result, this is also impacting USD CAD. Okay, and on the other hand, if we look at the chart of DXY US dollar here, You can see that US dollar is also under pressure here. US dollar was bullish, but it failed to cross the level of 94.50. Okay, so these factors are also impacting the USD CAD. So listen to me carefully. Follow the trend of the market and only trade on these two trading opportunities. Again, so and my dear friends, I have launched the Pro Trader program where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. Okay, if you want to know more about the Pro Trader program, then just go to the Pro Trader section on my website abhilashhazarika.com. You find all the information, and you can also download a sample here just to check out what kind of trades I share in the Pro Trader program. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. Bye bye. Take care. See you on Monday again.